support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you. Power your family adventure. The standard cutting-edge 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth, yet highly responsive. Paired with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, you can enjoy an enhanced driving experience. Additionally, with standard shift-by-wire technology, you can effortlessly change gears at the press of a button. Roomy, refined, and well-appointed, the 2024 Hyundai Palisade. Whether you're the parent of a growing family or a driver for a service like Uber or Lyft, the 2024 Hyundai Palisade is for you. The 3-row SUV has a welcoming cabin adorned with upscale, soft-touch materials, enticing features, and comfy seats.